Separation method of ether is by Williamson synthesis method. Williamson synthesis method. This method is suitable for both type of ether, symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical. At first, alkyl halide treated with sodium alkoxide and alkyl halide. Removal of sodium halide and the formation of ether takes place. If we take different alkyl group here, also unsymmetrical ether will be formed. Here are the conditions for the Williamson synthesis method for preparing symmetrical or unsymmetrical ether. At first, alkyl halide must be 1 degree. Must be 1 degree alkyl halide. Means less steric hindrance. And this reaction proceeds through the SN2 mechanism. And we know that in SN2 mechanism, 1 degree alkyl halide will be more reactive than the 2, than the 3. Whereas alkoxide ion may be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Does not matter. But alkyl halide must be 1 degree. So, see the example. At first, 3 degree alkoxide ion with 1 degree alkyl halide. What happens? Bromine is more electronegative. It takes 2 electrons and get removed. Here it acquires positive charge. It donates its electron. So the removal of sodium bromide and the formation of ether takes place. Alkyl halide 1 degree and alkoxide ion is 3 degree. So the formation of methyl tertiary butyl ether. Methyl tertiary butyl ether will form. If we reverse the change, case 1 where alkoxide ion is 3 degree and alkyl halide 1 degree. In the next example, alkyl halide taken 3 degree and alkoxide ion taken as a 1 degree. What happens here? Here electron present on the oxygen does not directly approaches to the carbon, because carbon is hindered, stably hindered, not from front side, not from back side. So here this particular reagent behave as a base, So it takes the protons from here, and this bond shifted from here, and this leaving group eliminate from here. So the formation of alkene instead of ether, as well as CH3OH, alcohol, and sodium bromide. So we can see here alkyl halide must be 1 degree in case of Williamson synthesis reaction when alkyl halide treated with sodium alkoxide ion, because if we take 3 degree alkyl halide, there will be elimination reaction takes place instead of substitution, and the formation of alkene instead of ether. So the condition must be remembered, alkyl halide must be 1 degree, because this reaction proceeds through SN2, and alkoxide ion may be 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. This is the limitations of Williamson synthesis. So learn it properly. What is the Williamson synthesis method for preparation of ether, and as well as the limitations of Williamson synthesis. Good morning, students. Today's topic is electrophilic substitution reaction. In the previous video, you have already studied about few electrophilic substitution reaction like Kolbe's, Riemann-Temmen reaction, bromination. Now continuing the topic, let us see the next electrophilic substitution reaction, that is nitration. Nitration of phenol at first with dilute nitric acid. Nitration is done with the nitrating mixture. Let us see. Nitrating mixture is HNO3 with conc H2SO4, and the electrophile is nitronium ion. How nitronium ion generated, you have already studied in class 11th also. Here I like to recall it. Write the formula of HNO3 when treated with sulfuric acid and lone pair gives this protons. Here oxygen with positive charge and HSO4 minus. Positive charge appears on oxygen, so that removal of H2O and the formation of nitronium ion generated. Okay, this is nitronium ion. With dilute nitric acid, phenol, when treated with dilute nitric acid and the nitrating mixture is HNO3 and H2SO4, the formation of orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol takes place. As we know, phenol is OP directing. It is ortho nitrophenol and this para nitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol, this is the mixture obtained when the phenol treated with dilute nitric acid and H2SO4. How can we separate orthonitrophenol from the para-nitrophenol? At first, it is separated by fractional distillation. Separated from each other because para nitrophenol boiling point of para nitrophenol is more than the boiling point of ortho nitrophenol. So on the basis of difference in boiling point, we can easily separate by the fractional distillation why para-nitrophenol has greater boiling point than the orthonitrophenol. Here we see the structure. In orthonitrophenol, as we know, H bond exists intramolecular H bond, and in para-nitrophenol there is association takes place and the H bond form between the molecules. Here is the H bond formed between one molecules and other molecules. Means there is association takes place and this bond is known as intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. And so that intermolecular hydrogen bond is a stronger bond than the intramolecular hydrogen bond. So the boiling point of para-nitrophenol is greater because lot of energy required to break this bond, and by this method means difference in boiling point, para-nitrophenol and orthonitrophenol separated from each other because para-nitrophenol has greater boiling point than the orthonitrophenol, because in para-nitrophenol there is an intermolecular H bond exists and in the intramolecular H bond exists in the orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol and this is the para-nitrophenol. With the this is the number A with dilute nitric acid and number B with the concentrated nitric acid. When phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid means nitrating mixture with concentrated conc HNO3 plus conc H2SO4, formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2, 4 and 6, 2, 4 and 6 trinitrophenol form, and it is commonly known as picric acid. Once again, with dilute nitric acid, nitric acid, orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol takes place. With concentrated nitric acid, formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol or picric acid formed. Now next, sulfonation. Sulfonation of phenol. Phenol when treated with Conquest 2SO4, formation of ortho and para compound. 2-phenol sulfonic acid, and 4-phenol sulfonic acid. When this mixture treated with conc nitric acid, means nitration with disulfonic acid, the product will be picric acid with good yield, 90% picric acid formed. So nowadays in industry, picric acid is prepared from the sulfonic acid, so the good yield of picric acid formed. Next, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation done with phenol, with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, most commonly ammonium chloride, it is Lewis acid, the formation of ortho and para cresol. It is orthocresol and it is para cresol. Friedel-Crafts alkylation takes place when phenol treated with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, orthocresol and paracresol will be formed. Para will be major product due to symmetry and less steric hindrance. Now next, reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol, and is the last reaction. Reduction of phenol. When phenol treated with zinc dust, removal of zinc oxide, and the formation of benzene takes place. It is very important for conversion point of view. Phenol, when treated with zinc, formation of benzene takes place. And the last reaction, when phenol treated with oxidizing agent Na2Cr2O7 in acidic medium. It is also known as Jones reagent. The formation of benzoquinone takes place. Phenol, when treated with zinc, formation of benzene. Phenol, when treated with oxidizing agent, it is also known as Jones reagent. Na2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, formation of benzoquinone takes place. Now, the next topic is ether. At first, the preparation of ether. Preparation of ether from alcohol. When alcohol treated with conc H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin, there will be dehydration takes place with the formation of alkene. Here is the elimination takes place. Remember it, when alcohol treated with acid at high temperature, elimination reaction favored, dehydration reaction takes place and the alcohol changes into alkene. But when the alcohol treated with conc H2SO4 at low temperature, means temperature is 413 Kelvin, there will be substitution takes place and the formation of ether. At high temperature, alkene form, at low temperature, ether form. It is remembered 443 Kelvin for the formation of alkene when alcohol treated with conc H2SO4, but at 413 Kelvin when alcohol treated with conc H2SO4, at this temperature ether will form. For example, when two molecules of alcohol treated with conc H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin, formation of diethyl ether takes place. It is diethyl ether. What are the mechanisms involved here? Try to understand mechanism to learn the reaction properly. How the formation of ether takes place when two units of alcohol treated with conc H2SO4 at this temperature, low temperature. At first step 1, ethanol lone pair present on this take these protons and get converted into protonated ethanol. Here the positive charge appears on the oxygen, so it takes electrons and get removed. In that condition, this carbon acquired positive charge. Now second unit of alcohol give their protons to this carbocations. So the formation of this compound, and at last oxygen takes this electron towards itself and hydrogen get removed and the formation of diethyl ether takes place. Once again, ethanol when take protons from the acid and get converted into protonated form, and here oxygen by taking protons here becomes positive charge appears on it, so that it pull the electron towards itself and get removed in the form of H2O. So carbon acquire positive charge, means formation of electrophile takes place. So second unit, where the electron present on the oxygen atom get their electrons to the carbon and converted into this form. After that, oxygen with positive charge pull the electrons and the removal of protons takes place. Simultaneously, diethyl ether takes place. But there is a limitation to form the ether from the alcohol. By this method, only symmetrical ethers form. Symmetrical ethers formed. Symmetrical ethers means both side same type of alkyl group present. It is known as symmetrical ether. If we want to form the unsymmetrical ether from the alcohol, we get two different alcohol. So in that condition, we get mixture of ether and the separation becomes difficult. So this method have limitations. By this method, we can't prepare unsymmetrical ether. Limitations. Not formed by this method.